Have you ever noticed the subtle symbols that artists use to convey deeper meanings in their work? Today, we'll explore the intriguing symbolism in Pieter Christoffel Wonder's painting Time, created in 1810. We delve into the painting Time by Pieter Christoffel Wonder, an evocative oil painting housed in the Rijksmuseum, Amsterdam. Measuring 121.5 centimetres in height and 105 centimetres in width, this masterpiece showcases Father Time as a central figure, embodying the relentless passage of time. In this painting, Father Time is depicted nude, with wings on his back, kneeling on his right knee and facing left in profile. He raises a cloth with his right hand, revealing a golden scale lying on the ground amidst leaves. The scale symbolizes justice and the balance of time, while the leaves signify the transient nature of life. The artist